Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Welcome to Edu-ca-te. Today we're going to be talking about energy. Energy in physics is defined also generally as the ability to do work. So if you are able to do work, you've got energy. We've got two types of energy, which is potential energy and kinetic energy. How do we differentiate between kinetic and potential energy? Well, potential energy is the energy an object possesses due to its position in gravitational field. So it's energy possessed due to its position in the gravitational field. So this is known as potential energy. We now go to the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy an object possesses as a result of its motion. So this let us analyze the definition and see what is the difference actually here. Both of them are types of energies, but then they are different. Well, the potential energy is possessed, it's actually possessed here due to an object's position in the gravitational field. So when we're all talking about this gravitational field, we're talking about any space inside the Earth where gravity can take place. You learn more of this in grade 11, but then when we're talking about the gravitational field, we're talking a space in the Earth. So this is the energy an object has because it is at a certain position of the Earth. Well, kinetic energy is only possessed when there is movement or when there is a motion. So this is the energy that is possessed by an object as a result of its motion, meaning that if an object does not move, therefore it does not have kinetic energy. So let us go to the formula. So for the potential energy formula, it is given by mgh. What does this formula mean? So the EP represents the potential energy, the M represents the mass of an object, the G represents 2, the gravitational acceleration, and then H represents the height. Okay, so this formula actually defines the whole concept of potential energy. So here we're talking about the energy possessed by an object due to its position. So the position is determined by the height. Exactly how long is it away from the Earth's surface, or you can say the altitude instead. So here we've got the gravitational acceleration. This is a constant value of 9.8 meters per second squared. This is because each and every object on the Earth accelerates at the same acceleration due to gravity. So it means when gravity acts on an object, it will accelerate the same way as another object as long as it is on Earth. So when this object is on Earth, it accelerates at 9.8 meters per second squared. And then we go to the kinetic energy formula, whereby kinetic energy is equals to half mv squared. Okay, let us see what is the parameters. So the EK represents the kinetic energy, while this is the mass of an object and the velocity. So here, this object possesses kinetic energy because it is moving. So it means if velocity increases, then kinetic energy increases. Remember that kinetic energy is due to the movement of an object. Therefore, if velocity increases, so there's kinetic energy also. So these are the two basic types of energies which we have. Now, in our next video, we're actually going to be doing examples and testing out on exactly if you understand the different types of energies which we have. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends to stay tuned.